name's Ricky Hobson. I've been with Southwest Airlines for a little over 13 years. I'm a ramp agent. Been a local union rep for 10 years.
The Rep of the Quarter Award, I just saw that there wasn't a lot of recognition for reps. It's a thankless job. The members don't always get to see what the reps do behind the scenes. They think, oh, we'll see them in their office, they'll see them in a fact find, but they don't see the countless hours dedicated off the clock that the reps give, and it is very important that we recognize someone for that.
Everyone always says it's a thankless job. You don't do the job for the recognition, but it's always nice to recognize our reps. They do a hell of a job. They are very hardworking. I was a rep for a long time, and now seeing this side of it, sometimes we get really good candidates that are nominated, and it's very hard to choose. And then it's unfortunate because then they're not nominated again, so they never get a chance. So it's nice to kind of give back to them and be able to show the members how we can recognize them.
Some of the things that make Ricky a really good rep for the San Diego Ramp Agents is he's very knowledgeable. He definitely knows the contract. He doesn't hesitate to call management out when they're not following the contract. He has a very good rapport with management as well too. That's one of the things that has always impressed me about Ricky is how well he can talk with them and get his point across and get management to see his side of his point of view versus management just going off on whatever they want to think.
The way it works is we put out the nominations and people will email those into the office. Current Recording Secretary Nicole Salinas handles that.
Print out the form, get it into our office. You'll need to sign it. You'll need someone to second that nomination, and then you just kind of write about them in a quick little summary because, again, the district rep will talk about them in the board meeting. And we also just want to make sure that they are currently a rep or an alternate.
After that, the district rep would notify his rep that he won, and it would be given the choice to, do you want me to present the award at your station, or would you like to come down to Dallas and present it in front of the board? Now, we are going to give and let the members see more of the person who won and why they won, speak a little bit about what they do. And so now you're going to see a video cast of the board, the rep who won the award, and get to know a little bit more about themselves.
Great guy. I could spend all day talking with him. He's just a great person and very unassuming. He doesn't do this for the limelight or the spotlight or anything like that. He just wants to make sure what's right is what happens.
I have a wife. We've been married for a little over 8 years. I have 5 kids from age range from 8 to 28. I wanted to become a union rep. I went out OJI early on in my career. Read the book, noticed stuff wasn't being done, wanted to hold management, leadership accountable to our CBA and be that voice. My favorite part about being a rep is the fight, making sure their company's following the rules and abiding by the CBA. Outside of work, I'm a dance dad, so I travel all over with my wife and my daughter, sometimes my son, and we just hit the dance competition scene.